My name is Peter Chen. I'm a VP of Operations of LaView Security Systems. We started about 5 years ago providing security solution for mostly end users. I was involved in anything operational, bringing the products to the market, the go-to-market strategy, what products to bring in, who are the manufacturers that we should work with. This is a brand new company. We started from ground zero, and now we are in pretty much any major channels that you can think of. So from nothing to something, I was involved in pretty much everything. Well, this is the first year that we are at CEDIA. The best thing that I like so far is to have a chance to talk to other system integrators from different industry. Just the handshake and the knowledge sharing has been very beneficial to LaView. Maybe eventually, work with some of these system integrators or, penetrate into different markets. Being genuine is the most important thing when it comes to events like these, that you get to interact with a lot of different experts from different areas. Knowledge is two ways. We can provide the knowledge, we can receive the knowledge as well. Be open to any conversation. As long as we are generating this interaction, I guess both sides of the parties are learning.
Hi guys, John with LaView here. I'm going to give you an intro to some of our products. So right here we have our TDI cameras and systems. One of the highlights here is our 5 megapixel camera here. It features color night vision, so when your camera experiences extreme low light conditions, it'll automatically switch into IR mode, and you have the option to see in full color night vision. That's one of the big features that we have going on. We have a little more of our smart home integrated Wi-Fi cameras. They're standalones. We have a floodlight camera over there, 270 degree wide PIR sensor, which means it's better than your average motion sensor. And what it does is it can differentiate between inanimate objects that are moving, say like a tree in the wind, or animals and humans, so that it can flash on the floodlights as well as start recording. So you'll always know when there's something significant happening on your property. All right guys, so this is John from LaView. I appreciate you watching. Thank you.